To me, then if I turn that lens around as a parent, it's an invaluable program that benefits everyone. My child is going in, they're learning, and they're getting this amazing experience. And I've heard stories from my kids when they come home and they say, "Oh, today we got to build a whale that's going up on a wall with twigs." So that's just such an amazing feeling. Or another artist that will work with the graduating class of a school to create a mural that leaves the mark of those classes. So those students then have this opportunity to do something creative and fun and beautiful that is staying in the school. And every time they go back, they know that they left that mark. These are the spaces where art offers ways of connection, where art offers ways of opening our hearts. Maybe that's just like taking two colors in a rainbow and finding the place where they cross over. Taking a dark shade of red and weaving it all the way to pink, and what are the colors in between that make it come together, and using art to find that space where we can connect. And this is a skill that the students, the teachers, and I think the artists can take for life. This is what we need to do everywhere. Just come together. Where's that space in between where we can come together, where we can agree? Creating spaces also to disagree, to say, yeah, but this is where we don't. Me, my tool is my camera and my lens, and building relationships to be able to create that connection.